Arborescent burns, that is also known as arborization, that is feathering or ferning or filigree burns, or arborescent burns or arborization or feathering or Lichtenberg flowers or keranographism. It is the Lichtenberg flowers also. After it is the German physician in who reproduce similar image on inanimate objects with a static electricity lightning mark. These are irregular. These are irregular and superficial thin tortuous markings on the skin resembling the general pattern of a fern or a tree. These are the most characteristic findings in lightning, and these are the references to these markings in the site most common over the shoulders, in front of the chest, flanks, and usually pink to brownish in color, and sometimes slightly palpable. The time of development not certain, if produced instantaneously or after some time. Not associated with any burning. There is no associated damage to the skin. Seen only in 20 to 30 in 20 to 30 25 cases per percentage only it is seen. Do not lie either along the vascular channels, and do not either along the vascular channels or the nerve. Do not lie either along the vascular channels or nerve pathways. In histopathology, also no pathological changes in the epidermis and dermis or nerve or collagen. The absence of the histopathological changes indicates that they are purely a physical phenomenon, not a class of burns. And it is disappeared within 1-2 days if among the survivors, sometimes after death also. The mechanism of formation, there are several theories. Breakdown of these RBCs due to high current, hemoglobin stains the surrounding tissue. The lysis occurs not within the vascular channels, but along the path of the electric current. This accounts for markings not corresponding to the vascular channels. Disappearance is accounted for by pigment dissipating away with the passage of time. A similar branching which truly correspond vascular channels is seen in burns. The minute deposition of the copper in dermis, the boiling of the intracellular fluid following facial planes. There are representation of static electricity discharge along the superficial vasculature and nerve. The inflammatory response elicited by the electron current flowing along the line of moistures in the skin cases. The figures are fractal mathematical concept. Many natural features exhibit like fractal-like shapes and like coastal lines. This is arborescent burns, arborization or feathering or Lichtenberg flowers or keranographism. Thank you.